This is a rehearsal video for the responsorial psalm C51, 6th Sunday of Easter. And we have the unison response, and there's an optional descant. Let me just plug this in. Thank you. And it's kind of an awkward sound going back and forth between the verse and the refrain, but this is what we have. Let's see. You have a downbeat for the rest, and the downbeat is the opening pitch for the response. O God, let all the nations praise you. Okay, we'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. O God, let all the nations praise you. Okay, so for the verses, I am going to be chanting the treble clef by myself with the melody, and I'd like to try to have everybody else singing the tenor and bass lines. So sopranos and altos, I'd like you to sing the tenor line, and basses and tenors on the bass line. So this is what the verse sounds like together. So the melody is what I'm singing as the cantor. So the harmonization of the two parts underneath sound like this. Oh, I did that wrong, sorry. Let's try that again. So the altos and the sopranos are going to sing this. We'll do that again. This is again on the tenor line, but the sopranos and altos are singing. Okay, and here's the tenor and basses on the bass line. So the last few pitches, the tenors and basses on the bass line, the note's not changing, you're just sustaining that pitch, okay? So here you have, I'll do it twice through here with the two parts being played. The first time through I'll sing the upper part for the sopranos and the altos on the tenor line, and then when I repeat it, I'll still play both parts, but then I'll sing the lower of the two parts, which the tenors and basses will sing. Ready? Here's the repeat. Let's do that, all three parts. I'm gonna chant it. May God have pity on us and bless us. May let his face shine upon us. So may your way be known upon earth, among all nations, your salvation. Okay, here's verse 2. May the nations be glad and exult, because you rule the peoples in equity. The nations are 2 has once through and goes right into the refrain. Oh God, let all the nations praise you. And then we're back into verse 3 again. Be aware on the repeat of verse 3, the first pitch we skip. I put parentheses around it so you can see we skip it. So on verse 3, second line, may all the peoples praise you, you go right to the repeat for may God bless us. Okay, it's the second half of that top line. So here's verse 3. May the nations, oh wait, sorry. May the peoples praise you, O God, and may all the peoples praise you. May God bless us, and may all the ends of the earth fear him. Okay, so that's how that goes. The descant here. Okay, so here's what it sounds against the part everybody else sings. Okay, so here's the descant by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh God, let all praise you. Okay, so let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh God, let all praise you. Okay, here we go. See you on Sunday.